Okay. Here's my snort boy.
One of them is going to kiss the other on the nose. I'm just waiting to see which.
He's my boy. He's my boy. Ow. Shouldn't have started snorting yet. I put my hand in your nose.
Now you can try telling him to get off the table again.
Get down!
Now don't be mean.
Get down!
Dylan.
Get down! Get down! Ow. Bit me. Now you know you're not supposed to be on the table. You know that. You know that. Hope the camera's aimed right.
It is.
You know you're not supposed to be on the table and I'm not giving you a belly rub.
Yes, you are.
Don't. The video.
Oh, yeah, she's videoing. Tell him to get down again.
Damn.
Oh,
No. The video's on.
Now the video's
Calm down.
Oh, wait.